Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Sayyida Iffat, and today from the portal of GMCI we bring to you some very fun-filled and exciting activities related to mathematical concepts. As a teacher, we are often faced with the problem like, how am I going to teach addition and subtraction to a 3 or a 4-year-old child? And it's not just the matter of teachers, as mothers also. हमें अक्सर अपने घर में बच्चों के लिए कुछ ऐसे मटेरियल्स चाहिए होते हैं, कुछ ऐसे टॉयज़ चाहिए होते हैं जिनसे हम बच्चों को मैथमेटिक्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत ईजीली समझा सकें. बट दोज टॉयज़ आर कॉस्टिंग अस अ लॉट. सो व्हाट टू डू? आज मैं आपको एक ऐसा टॉय दिखा रही हूँ जो आप बहुत ईजीली घर में अवेलेबल या मार्केट से वेरी ईजीली एट अ वेरी चीप प्राइस अवेलेबल मटीरियल से लेकर बना सकते हैं खुद, और उससे आप अपने बच्चों को सिंपल मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस सिखा सकते हैं. So let's begin. So for this activity you need a material like this, a rectangle board. आपके घर में कोई भी wooden piece अगर available है, preferably you should have a rectangle board. Otherwise you can simply take cardboard or shoe box and you can just take a rectangle shape out of that. Then we use the two calculation hands. This material is the felt material. Felt का material आपको market में कहीं से भी मिल जाएगा, और उसके ऊपर हमने ये वेल्क्रो लगाया हुआ है. वेल्क्रो का मटेरियल भी समथिंग टू स्टिक ऑन लाइक दिस, ताकि वो दोबारा वापस अपनी जगह पे ना जाए, एंड देन इट विल बी लाइक दिस, एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग मटेरियल. ये दोनों मटेरियल्स आपके बहुत रफ एंड टफ किस्म के मटेरियल्स हैं, एंड वेरी इजीली दिस एक्टिविटी कैन बी डन थ्रू दिस. और ये आपको, अगर आपने कभी ऑब्जर्व किया हो तो आपके जो शूज़ होते हैं, स्ट्रैप ऑन बकल वाले शूज़ होते हैं, उनके अंदर ये मटेरियल लगा हुआ होता है. सो यू कैन वेरी इजीली गेट इट फ्रॉम द मार्केट at an affordable cost. The rest of the things you can very easily make at home. आप इस तरह के addition और subtraction के color coded cards बना सकते हैं. Try to make them on some hard material, chart paper पे करके laminate करवा सकते हैं. You can get them printed out, you can write on your own, you can make the counting, but make sure that you draw pictures like this, because इन्हीं pictures को देखकर आपका बच्चा यहाँ पर ये activity करेगा. Along with these tiles for numbers, easily at a very affordable cost available in the market. Otherwise you can also make them at home. जिस material का आपने ये board बनाया, अगर वो आपका cardboard है, so you can very easily make it from that cardboard. You can make 0 to 10 numbers, and you can make signs for minus, for plus, is equal to, less than or greater than. So ये sign आप बच्चों को सिखा सकते हैं. ये एक्टिविटी आप 2.5 ईयर्स के बच्चे से लेकर 4 और 5 ईयर्स तक के बच्चे को करवा सकते हैं. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सिंपल नंबर्स की रिकग्निशन से, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के कॉन्सेप्ट, मूविंग ऑन, प्रोग्रेसिंग टू ग्रेटर देन एंड स्मॉलर देन. सो ऑल बेसिक मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट्स कैन बी कवर्ड इन दिस. So let's begin. If we have to do a simple addition calculation like 1 plus 2, so you will show the child this card over here, और बच्चे को आप खुद से सारी एक्टिविटी करने का मौका देंगे. The child is going to pick up. You say, okay, what are we going to do? What is this? The child will say, this is number 1. Can you find number 1 from here? Oh yes, it's lying right over here. Bring it here. What is this? This is the plus sign, the addition sign. Okay, let's bring it here. Now, number 2. Where is number 2 here? Let the child recognize the number and bring it from here to here. Now, equals. 1 plus 2 equals which number? So you are going to put this sign over here and let the child do the rest on his or her own. So the child has to make a figure exactly like this. How can you make it like this? Let's do this. You only have one finger here. So let's fold the rest of the fingers. Now you only have 2 fingers here. Let's fold the rest of the fingers. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? 3. Where is 3 over here? Let's find it. Oh, here it is. Bring it over here and voila, we got the answer, didn't we? So let's do another activity by teaching the child how to do the subtraction over here. I'm starting from simple digits. You can move on to bigger digits by following the same pattern. And these cards are double-sided. So you can utilize the same material, double-sided, and you can get maximum numbers over here. Let's see. So if we want to do 2 plus 1, first we will put everything back in its place. Let's put all the fingers back in its place. Let's put all the numbers back in their places along with our symbols for addition, subtraction, equals to, greater than, and less than. 1 plus 2 goes back here. Now we bring 2 minus 1. So let the child do the activity. What is this? Number 2. So now let's bring the subtraction game over here. Let the child count the numbers. What is this? Number 2. Find number 2 from here. Bring it here. Subtraction. Put the subtraction sign here. Which number is this? Number 1. Lying here. Now, what will you get if you subtract 1 from 2? So first you have to leave 2 fingers here and you have to leave 1 finger over here. Now tell the child that these are 2 fingers and you have to take away 1 finger from this. How will you do it? You will just simply take away this 1 finger. So these all will come here. These all will go to the side, and from here you just have 1 finger left. So what's the answer? 2 minus 1 equals 1. So you can put the same answer over here. This is how you are going to do this activity with the child by teaching the child simple addition and subtraction rules. So I hope you liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with everyone around who needs it. Spread the word around. Thank you.